So in the last session, so already we discussed the benefits and advantages of animal classification. So now in this video we discuss about the next one concept of our chapter, the traditional method of animal classification. So traditional method of animal classification is depending upon the presence or absence of a notochord in an animal body. तो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ एनिमल क्लासिफिकेशन किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? इस मेनली डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नोटोकॉर्ड present in the animal body. So before understanding traditional method of animal classification, we understand what is the meaning of a notochord. Now see, so notochord is a rod-like structure present dorsal side of the animal body. ये क्या होता है का rod-like structure रहता है और वो कहाँ पर रहता है बोलो तो dorsal side of a animal body. All of you understand? So what is the meaning of a notochord? Presence or absence of a notochord हमने पढ़ा था. So what is the meaning of a notochord? So notochord is a rod-like structure. It is a rod-like structure present on dorsal side of the animal body. And what is the function of a notochord in an animal body? It keeps the nerve tissue isolated from the remaining body. What is the main role of a notochord in an animal body? It keeps the nerve tissue isolated from a remaining body. वो क्या करता है तो nerve tissue को isolated करता है from a remaining part of a body. For understand what is the meaning of a notochord? So traditional method of animal classification is depending upon the presence or absence of a notochord. And the kingdom, the animal kingdom has been divided into two groups. One is non-quadrids and next one is quadrids. जो animal का five kingdom system है वो किस में डिवाइड किए से बोलो तो one is non-quadrids and next one is quadrids. Understand? Let's see one by one. Now see non-quadrids and the quadrids animals. So what are the characters of non-quadrids animals and the quadrids animals? तो हम पढ़ेंगे quadrids animals का और non-quadrids animals का क्या फंक्शन रहता है. Now see, sorry, what are the characters of non-quadrids animals? Non-quadrids animals. Let's see now. The characters of non-quadrids animals are as follows. So what are the characters of non-quadrids animals? First one character, body is not supported by the rod-like notochord. So non-quadrids animals body not supported by the not supported by rod-like notochord. जो notochord रहता है उस notochord को ए एनिमल्स की बॉडी क्या वो तो सपोर्ट नहीं करते. Notochord. So body is not supported by rod-like notochord. Those animals belongs to the notochords. So such animals are not supported by the rod-like notochord. Next one, pharyngeal seals are absent. ध्यान में रखो. Now see next one, pharyngeal gills slits are absent. तो इस एनिमल में क्या बोलो तो pharyngeal gill slits क्या है absent रहता है. So what is the meaning of pharyngeal gill slits? ध्यान में रखो. Filter food particles from water. ध्यान में रखो. So what is the meaning of pharyngeal? Pharyngeal का meaning क्या है? It is like a filter. ये क्या बोलते क्या है? फिल्टर की तरह क्या है वर्क करता है. फिल्टर फूड पार्टिकल्स फ्रॉम द वाटर से जितनी जो फूड पार्टिकल्स रहते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हो सेपरेट करने का काम कौन करता है बोलो तो pharyngeal gills करता है. So pharyngeal gills are absent in the notochords animals. First one character, notochords animals are not supported by the notochord. And next one, pharyngeal gills are absent in the non-quadrids animal. Now see next one, nerve cord if present. ध्यान में रखो. Nerve cord if present, it is ventral side. nerve cord, if present, nerve cord if present, it is on ventral side. It is on ventral side. It is solid and paired. ध्यान में रखो. It is solid and paired. It is solid and paired. Understand? If nerve cord is present in the non-cortex, it is on ventral side. वो क्या रहेगी? Front side में रहेगी. और कैसे रहेगी? It is solid and paired. If nerve cord is present in the non-cortex animal, it is on ventral side and it is solid and paired. Last one character, heart if present, it is on dorsal side. If heart is present, heart if present, it is on dorsal side. It is on dorsal side. अगर नॉन कॉर्डियस एनिमल्स में अगर हार्ट प्रेजेंट रहता है तो वो क्या रहेगा? वो तो डॉर्सल साइड में से बैक साइड में क्या रहेगा? वो प्रेजेंट रहेगा. इफ हार्ट इज प्रेजेंट इन अ नॉन कॉर्डियस एनिमल, सो हार्ट इज प्रेजेंट ऑन अ डॉर्सल साइड. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस आर द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ नॉन कॉर्डियस एनिमल्स. ये किसके कैरेक्टर्स है बोलो तो? दिस आर द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ नॉन कॉर्डियस एनिमल्स. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ नेक्स्ट सी कॉर्डियस एनिमल. अब हम पढ़ते हैं व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ कॉर्डियस एनिमल्स. सो व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ कॉर्डियस एनिमल्स? लेट्स नाउ सी. ऑपोजिट कैरेक्टर ऑफ नॉन कॉर्डियस. ध्यान में रखो. ध्यान में रखने के लिए व्हाट आर द characters of coordinates animals. So it is the opposite character of non-coordinates. Understand? First one, body supported by notochord. Coordinate animals का body क्या करेगा? Body supported by. So body is supported by notochord. Next one, pharyngeal gills. Your lungs are present for respiration. Now see. So pharyngeal gill slits are present for respiration. तो pharyngeal gill slits क्या रहेगा? यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट रहेगा फॉर रेस्पिरेशन. नर्व कॉर्ड इज प्रेजेंट ऑन डॉर्सल साइड. सो नर्व कॉर्ड इज प्रेजेंट ऑन डॉर्सल साइड ऑफ द बॉडी. डॉर्सल साइड. सो इट इज हलो. वो कैसा रहेगा बोलो तो? इट इज हलो. अंडरस्टैंड? सो नर्व कॉर्ड इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द dorsal side of coordinates animals and it is hollow. This one, heart is present on ventral side of the body. So heart is present on ventral side of the body. Ventral side of the body. Listen, these are the characters of coordinates animals. Understand? So first one, body supported by the notochord. The body of coordinates animals are supported to the notochord that is present on the dorsal side of the animal body. Now see, next one, pharyngeal gills are present for the respiration. For the respiration, coordinates animals having the pharyngeal gills. तो pharyngeal gills बोलो तो coordinates animals में क्या है? Present रहता है. Nerve cord is present on the dorsal side. जो nerve cord रहेगा वो coordinates animal में कहाँ पर रहेगा बोलो तो? Dorsal side, and it is hollow. And last one is the heart is present on the ventral side of the body. जो उनका heart है वो कहाँ पर present रहेगा वो तो ventral side of the body. Understand? जो अब तक हमने पढ़ा. So what are the characters of coordinates, non-coordinates and the coordinates animals? Understand? So in this session we already discussed history of animal classification, benefits of animal classification, and traditional method of animal classification, and what are the characters of quadrants and the non-quadrants animals. Okay, we'll stop here. We'll be continue on next session.